back at this again. Lightning Link at Sahara Gold. Yeah, I'm gonna do what I usually do. 40 bucks, 2-cent denomination, dollar a spin, and I have a 25 bucks free play again. I'm gonna see if by any chance I can get anything at all. Yeah, all right, nice. I'm glad that didn't take long, but I know better than to get excited. That's, let me see, 12 bucks to start. Of course, add just like every time, just keep it going. Please don't be short. All right, 5 bucks. Last one. Alright, nice. Not the last one. Alright. Drop something in there. Aggressive, anything. Mini, minor, even the major by any chance. Major's at 1,000 right now. Okay, last one. Alright, nice. Of course, everyone knows the music gets faster when you only need 2 left. And I do like this version. Be decent. Not too bad. 24 bucks. It came quickly too on what, the 3rd spin? And I still have 22 bucks left in free play. Wonder if by any chance this has anything else left in it. 60 cents, not quite my bet back. That'd be great if I could somehow either get the actual bonus or another hold and spin. Got 10 bucks left in free play. Oh, let's see what this is. I think the girls are a premium symbol and 5 of a kind down here at the Kings. Yeah, that's something. Yeah, I'm gonna let this one ring up. Add up, count up, however you want to say it. We all like that little big win music, or, you know. Of course, everyone knows the camels are obviously wild. Oh, nice, almost 28 bucks. I still have 9 bucks left in free play. Ah. That was nothing. Oh, that's 100 bucks. Our last spin in free play here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna stop right there at 90 bucks, so I'm gonna come up 50 on this, and yeah, you know what this is. Lightning Link Sahara Gold. That was pretty good.